Imagine waking up and seeing your skin glowing back at you. No dullness or tiredness, just vitality. That's the promise of iDrotherapy, a revolutionary skincare solution on Digi Store 24. What sets iDrotherapy apart? It's not an overpriced cream filled with hype. Instead, it's a breakthrough formula aimed at restoring hydration and fighting visible signs of aging. Each application penetrates deeply, replenishing moisture and reducing fine lines. Think of it as a drink of water for your skin. It nourishes while creating a protective shield against stressors. With iDrotherapy, your skin feels firmer, smoother, and healthier every day. Designed based on science, not marketing, it has carefully selected ingredients proven to deliver real results. You'll find yourself using less makeup because your skin becomes the focal point. And here's the best part. Consistency delivers results quickly. Many customers notice improvements in just weeks, skin that shines brighter and looks younger. It's targeted skincare that works harmoniously with your body. If you're tired of products that don't deliver, it's time to try iDrotherapy. Stop spending on fleeting trends and invest in lasting results. You're not just buying a cream, you're investing in your confidence and future. Why settle for just okay skin? Radiant skin is within reach. Experience the magic of iDrotherapy today on Digi Store 24. For more insights, visit my blog at fitbyfusion.com.